Guys, good afternoon. We are here at Sound Villas in South Beach, inside of the beautiful Sea Pines Plantation. We're going to go take a look at a villa number 1466, Sound Villas. This is a wonderful townhome. It is located right here at the foot, at the very far end of Sea Pines. So it's actually a pretty quiet little area that we're going to take a look at. This is a 4 to 5 bedroom townhome, 5 bathrooms, split level type of a style. That overlooks, like I said, the Calabogie Sound on one side and the pool on the other side. So let's go take a look. Pretty cool little entryway here, neat little courtyard. Pool's right across right across here, but you'll see that from a couple of bedrooms inside. We come in, you'll notice they've done really nice job with the flooring, tile work throughout. The open staircases, my lighting here, with as bright as it is outside, makes it a little tough. But you walk in and see right out to the Calabogie Sound and the Atlantic Ocean. So, as you come in, though, you've got a nice, huge walk-in coat closet, storage closet area. We're going to start off downstairs, go down a couple of steps. And this is almost like a completely detached, living area down here. Dare I say, almost a mother-in-law suite, but be great for teenagers that are down, whatever opportunity, but you've got a huge living area down here. Nice couches. This does not come furnished. Beautiful fireplace, brick fireplace, wood storage. The great thing, as you kind of notice, there's more storage here. Couple of things. Don't always get a garage, and it's a single car garage, but it is a garage with nice storage in it, so that's always a plus. Couple of owner storage closets there as well. As we kind of come back in, we have a bathroom on this level as well. So all of the bathrooms are very similar. They're very white, they're very neutral. They have not necessarily been completely updated, but they're in good condition. Very clean. Again, here we walk into the laundry room. The home is being lived in. This is not a rental property, so will not necessarily show quite the same way that it would if it were a rental property. This is the room right here that you would ask the question, what we have it used for. In this situation, it's kind of being used as a kind of an office type of an area. It does have closets, so that's a benefit in that very easily, if you decided to kind of close in this space right here, whether it was kind of a barn door type of a deal or just totally closed it in, this would very easily become a 5th bedroom. Like I said, right now they've got it primarily used as an office, and an office with an absolutely, we'll do it from here, an absolutely killer view. And that is the Calabogie Sound right there. Daufuskie across from it. We're going to kind of take a little bit more of a tour around the property. Obviously, sliding glass doors on both sides here. One of the great things about this property is you are literally walking out your back door and onto the beach. You can certainly, if you look out there, you'll be able to see Beach Patrol car to the right. We've got plenty of cameras, or excuse me, plenty of umbrellas and such. A little bit out further there on the beach, blue tent, some white ones as well. So there's something pretty special on Hilton Head about being able to walk out your door and step onto the beach. So down here we have some recessed lighting. We do have popcorn ceilings that have not been scraped. Again, the tile floor looks in really good condition, feels solid. I didn't see any cracks or anything down here. So it looks, again, in really good condition. We're going to go upstairs. Hardwood floors here. So the transitions are tile and hardwood. Again, right now we are where we came in. We're going to go upstairs. There's a few areas here on the walls, obviously, that probably could use a little bit of paint, but nothing crazy. Here we walk into the main living area. Really, really nice space. Again, the view of the beach and the waterway is certainly right there. If we look up kind of towards the ceilings seem to be in really good condition. I don't see anything from a leaking perspective. It looks like right there they may have had a leak a while back, but it looks like it's been repaired. Have a little bit of a crack right there, but nothing that looks to be alarming to any degree, that's for sure. Otherwise, paint and stuff looks in good shape. Fireplace looks really good. Pretty contemporary in its style. They have used it, obviously, for storage of blankets. I don't know if that means anything about the operational nature of it, but we don't use the fireplaces down here a whole lot anyway. Most of the time, if we need one, we might be out of town. They've got a nice little wet bar here. Wine refrigerator in it. In good shape. Fortunately, looks pretty well stocked. We transition flooring wise into some hardwood floors in here. Nicely decorated. Again, dining room, great views out to the Calabogie Sound. So we kind of come back around. Here we have the kitchen. Nice cabinets. Very clean counters. It's not a granite, but a composite surface. We do have mix and match appliances. Not that that is the end of the world. Obviously some cleaning supplies, but open, it opens up. You've got a great view of the rest of the living area down here, which is nice. Again, we are here. Another bathroom. Again, it's very clean. It's in good condition. We are smooth ceilings from here on up, I believe. And we're going to come in here to what would be the first official bedroom that we're going to show you. Very nicely done. Great colors. Crown molding in here, smooth ceilings. Wanted to just kind of look out. The other side of the townhome has got the view of, the great view of the Calabogie Sound, but this one has a view, a little bit of the pool area there. Again, nice big closets. They've been pretty good with continuing the flooring. This one looks very similar. We are going to take a look here at the rest of the house now and the rest of the bedrooms. Again, this will be the second bedroom, second official bedroom. It is an ensuite. Huge amount of closet space here. As we come in, you'll notice similar bathroom. These could all be upgraded. But they're all very clean. Again, we're still on the front side of the house. Looks out over the pool area there. Nice in here. We do have popcorn ceilings, but they are vaulted, which is nice. And we're going to go up on the final level here. Growing up on Hilton Head, I've always kind of loved these little overlooks and these little catwalks that so many of the villas have had. Just kind of takes me back to being a kid in them. So, as we're up here, a couple of little things, a little crack right there. Doesn't look to be anything major. A little something there, but again, I wouldn't think any of that is anything to be worried about. Come in again. This is bedroom number 3. They've got this outfitted with 2 twin beds. Again, the pool view. Really good amount of storage for cabinets. Can do whatever you would like to as far as the size of this room with beds. A very similar bathroom to the others. As I've said throughout, in really good condition, very clean, very neutral in its color scheme. We do have one of the exchange units. This one looks to be a 2015. So it looks in pretty good condition. And not get up into the attic to check out the other one. And the last thing we're going to take a look at here is the master. Really, really good size master bedroom. Sorry for the blurriness, but there we go. So great size. Easily put a king size bed in here. Crown molding done. Again, we still have some popcorn, but there's nothing with it that seems to be out of the ordinary. Open to dual 2-sink master bathroom. Not updated. It's still a little bit more of the 80s style. We have the one out here. And then we've got another one in the wet area right through the door here that shares the tub bathroom in here. So the bathrooms could definitely use some updating. They're clean. They're from a color palette and cleanliness. They're in great condition. You could certainly rent them as is. And that's the view that you get out of the master, which is beautiful. We've got carpet in a couple of these. Carpet looks in good shape. Needs a little vacuuming, but nothing that I would worry about in general. And let's see. We're going to head back downstairs. Again, we are listed for $928,800. Truly, right now, this is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath, almost 3,000 square feet. These were built in 1973. And we're in South Beach, heart of, at the very toe, looking out towards Daufuskie Island. Really a beautiful area. Neat little park location over there. People walking into the beach. This has not been a rental, but the projections on it are somewhere around 95,000 and could be even higher, around 100,000. A pretty good amount of money. Gross rental income over 10%. Always a great thing for an owner to have. With our inventory and some other things, I think this would be a pretty phenomenal purchase, especially for somebody looking to add to inventory and produce some rental income. Anyway, I'm Dave Thornton, Carolina Realty Group. Hope you have a fantastic day. Give me a call, 843-384-1606.